Right, I'm going to show you guys how to do a quick motherboard swap. Yeah, so this is the motherboard here, which actually works, and I have another spare phone which doesn't work, it's dead. So we're going to see if we can bring that back to life. Okay, I'm doing it all step by step, no editing or anything for the beginners, so for them to know how to do it. Okay, so obviously I'm going to start with the spring plate. There's 6 screws, actually 5. Right. Okay, screen off. We put the screen here so we don't mix up the Face ID bit. Okay, that's the Face ID for this phone. It's quite simple fix. Okay, so right now, battery plate. Charging port. We've got to disconnect this because there's 1 and 2 screws to be removed. Battery we disconnect. Disconnect everything, and the battery. Need the camera, so I'll keep it in the same place. But be very careful with this thing. There's these 3 connectors for SIM. It's done. Simple. Fit a new one in there now. What you gotta do, gently. That's it. There's a new screen. Where's that new screen for iPhone 11? The one we had connected. Okay. Can you do me a favor, please? Take this iPhone 11 screen, yeah? And put this Face ID on it for me, please. Yeah? This one there, please. Yeah? Can you do that now, please? Yeah? Thank you so much. Face ID goes back in. Right, sorry. Let's do that screw first. Where's the blue screwdriver? It's there. Missing my tools always. They'll be right in front of me. Simple. Simple face. Is that the this camera goes first. Where are the screws, bro? Oh, that's fine. Change batteries, well, might as well. If you're doing all the job, give it a bit of heat. Meantime, we put screws back on this. Battery tool. The more better battery tool. A battery tool so should be.